Ladies and gentlemen, right now, cannabis names are really strong. NIO starting to lift. MTP, remember this huge gainer yesterday, making a move. Market's starting to soften, so we'll have to be careful. If you don't know why cannabis is up so much this morning or showing some strength, it's actually pulling back here in the last few minutes. It's because of GW Pharma. Their earnings was very strong. So that tells me one thing. Wall Street underestimated the power and demand of cannabis, and then the demand is there. Hardline numbers, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about cash. People were buying. They're looking for an alternative. All right. Golf Echo Victor Oscar, big on our watch list. Got to keep an eye on that one. MTP, new highs and starting to move. That was the name that we were talking about earlier. MTP is definitely healthy, guys. Remember, I'm looking at a 5-minute scale, so if you want to get in, it's at 77 cents, 78 cents. Stop at 55 cents. I'm going to hold off for now. TME starting to move up here. A lot of the Chinese tech names were down. They're starting to rally. ZYNE, small little lift. I want to see cannabis get going here. That's going to be important. IMMR, one of the early movers. I'm going to be patient here for now. We'll see where we go.